Owayesakuba ngumphathiswa wezoqhakamshelwano umnumzana Eunice Karim utyhole iziko le-MultiChoice ngokuphula imiqathango ngethuba inikezela ngobungqina phambi kwekomishoni kaJaji Zondo. Oku kwayamene nesivumelwano esatyikitywa i-MultiChoice nejelo le-SABC nesakhokelele ekubeni ijelo le-SABC lingakwazi ukubonelela ngobuxhakaxhaka be-DTT.
Kukule nkomfa ngo-2013 lapho kwamenyezelwa khona isivumelwano phakathi kwe-SABC kanye ne-MultiChoice. Kodwa-ke lo engungqongqoshi wezokuxhumana ngaleso sikhathi uthi lesivumelwano sasingekho emthethweni.
There was never a board decision to support STB control, according to Ms. Nolotando Kosa. According to what I gather, Mr. Krishnaidu says, until much later.
Kulesivumelwano i-MultiChoice yavumelana ne-SABC ukuthi izoyinika imali engu-553 million wamarandi ukusungula isiteshi sayo sezindaba esisakaza ubusuku nemini. Kodwa-ke lokhu kwakuza nombandela wokuthi i-SABC ingakweseki ukufakwa komgomo wokuthola ulwazi kwezokusakaza phecelezi i-encryption. Nathi uKarim kuhlobo lokuphozomela amandla ombuso.
This, for me, is a very clear example of regulatory or policy capture, whereby irregular means you shape a government policy.
Kanti usole le nkampani ngokulibazisa ukufudukela ohlelweni lobuchwepheshe besimanje manje lokusakaza ngetelevision.
Lobbying by MultiChoice was very primitive, very backward. It's not consistent with the social democracy we are, and it's caused a huge setback to the digital migrant. It suits them because they can retain their monopoly and so on.
Ilindele lezi zinsolo i-MultiChoice ithumele umyalezo okusebenzayo namhlanje ekseni izinxusa ukuthi zingaphazanyiswa izinsolo esovela kule komishana. Ngingumanqoba Mchunu wezindaba ze-SABC eGoli.